Yeah, when I am planning in tours, just my friend suggested for Nissi tours and houseboating. So he is Rajesh is very excellent, and he is near to friendly our tour, and his budget also friendly. And when I am coming to Kerala, here place is everything is nice, everything is good, and houseboats also, as well as driver, cooking person, everything is good. And when I am seeing the places and everything, he suggested a lot, which is good one, which is not good one. He is explaining excellent. And we are also suggested to our friends in Hyderabad, whoever is coming in the Kerala, just I will explain to them, and I will suggest to Nissi Tours and Travels and Houseboats also, as well as. So anyhow, thanks for Rajesh, and thanks for your shooting also, and thanks for all. It's good. Thank you.
Hello everyone. As we are planning to come to Kerala, Nissi Travels have helped us a lot. You know, the way this Rajesh sir has also suggested us very well. We are really enjoying here. It's really a great trip for all of us, and it's really very budget friendly for all of us. And you know, I think it's one of the best travels, and we really enjoyed a houseboat. The Rajesh sir has also gave us according to our requirements. He have fulfilled our requirements, and he have also fulfilled our happiness. It's really great experience in this Kerala. The boat driver is also very friendly with us, and you know, the taste of the food is also very good. We are really enjoying here, and the photography. When we need you, we want a good photography according to our Kerala. What do we say? Kerala tradition. And the photographers are also very friendly, and we really liked you. And thank you, sir. Thank you for a great journey. We hope we still enjoy here. Thank you.